Papa, are you guys excited?
Papa!
What do you think it is?
Papa!
Wow!
What?
Big bikes for big boys.
Look at that.
That is cool.
What is in those?
What? Are you excited? Those are cool. You got training wheels so you can learn how to ride big kid bikes.
Wow.
That is neato.
That's so cool.
I'll have to try it later.
Can you yell, thank you, Mimi and Papa?
Thank you, Papa.